These crispy air fryer chicken thighs with a simple seasoning blend turn out perfect every time, with golden crispy skin outside and tender juicy meat inside. Let me show you exactly how long to cook chicken thighs in the air fryer so you can enjoy that satisfying crunch with every bite. First, let's make a simple seasoning mixture. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to the mixing bowl. Then add 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika powder, followed by 1 teaspoon of ground mustard seeds. Next, add 1 teaspoon of onion or garlic powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Give all the seasonings a good mix until they are completely combined, as you can see here. Next, take 4 to 5 pieces of bone-in chicken thighs and pat them dry with a paper towel. Make sure to get the skin really dry. Dry chicken means crispy skin later. If the chicken is wet, the skin will not get that nice crunch that we want. Next, pour all the seasoning mixture over the chicken thighs. Toss them in the bowl until they are fully coated. Make sure the seasoning gets all over both sides of each thigh. I usually use tongs to flip them around in the bowl until every piece is covered with the spice mixture. This way the flavor gets into all the nooks and crannies of the chicken, just like this. Next, take your air fryer basket and place the seasoned chicken thighs inside. I put them skin side down first because this is quite important. Arrange them in a single layer in the basket. If you have a smaller air fryer, you might need to cook them in batches. Next, air fry the chicken thighs in your preheated air fryer at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. After 10 minutes, flip each piece over so the skin side is facing up. Then put them back in for another 15 minutes at the same temperature. Different air fryers cook a bit differently, and chicken thighs can vary in size. So, if you are making them for the first time, you want to make sure they are fully cooked. I always check that the internal temperature reaches 75 degrees Celsius or 165 degrees Fahrenheit to know they are safe to eat. These chicken thighs are seriously good. The skin gets so crispy you can hear it crunch, but the inside stays really juicy. The simple spice mix gives them great flavor without being complicated. I make these at least once a week because my family loves them so much. If you like cooking chicken in your air fryer, then check out my crispy air fryer chicken strips recipe too. They are honestly way better than the ones you get from McDonald's, but super easy to make. Check it out now.